Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you, just once, that I uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, if you enjoy the content of a creator, please take a second right underneath the video to hit that thumbs up. Supposedly it helps for the growth of a YouTuber on this platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for the thumbs up. All right. Today, I am so excited. I think this is my last box for the month of April, which is the one I always look forward to getting at the end of the month, and it's from the box from the brand called FASHIONSTA. This is a box that for some reason hits me at the right spot. It is always a mixture of indie brands and some brands that I know, but it's always introducing me to something new, and that's what I love about boxes. So this box I paid $19.99 for because I got grandfathered in. It was really unbelievable that a company would do this, but he did. He offered everybody that if they were continuing to stay with the brand, that he was going to keep us at that $19.99. And then for everyone who's starting now, if this is a box that's of interest to you, it is $24.99. I also have a link on their website for a discount. So if there's anything on the website that you like, I think it's for 20%. I'll leave that link down below as well. He was one of the first ones that offered that to this channel. So it's a special spot in my heart. Nothing is, there's no compensation or anything. This is a box that I love and I enjoy, and I'm sharing it with you guys on my channel. And that 20% works like a discount, no different than if you were to buy at Sephora and things like that. So it won't be on the boxes, but a lot of stuff that's on the website. So check out his website. It really is beautiful. All right, let's get started with the box because, like I said, I am over the moon. I take out everything from the box prior to so we could take pictures for Instagram, and then I place it out on the table here, take off any packaging or anything so we don't struggle because we don't edit here. I talk directly to you like as if I'm talking to my girlfriend. And then we just go through everything and I show you when we play, okay? All right, so the first item on the card is from this brand called Soleil, and it says, let your hair shine. It's a protective spray, and they're saying it is a $25 value. This also, he tells you on the bottom of the card, the entire value of the box is $149.95, and I'm pretty sure everything in the box is cruelty-free. Then he says, it says on the card here, it helps strengthen and protect the hair from a daily use of thermal tools, builds, strengthens, and resilience, and improves the moisture and shine, and is suitable for all hair types. And it looks like it's a nice liquidy formula. We'll do a little spritz so we can see what this smells like. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. You're gonna like that smell in your hair. All right, the next item that we got is from Ready, Set, Jet. And this was something he was kind of sneak peeking, and I really couldn't understand what it was. And now that it's here, I'm in the same boat. This is Ready, Set, Jet Official Beauty Baton. It is a $32 value. They're saying it is a one-stick multi-benefit. This is the on-the-go multitasking stick that has no rules. It has an interchangeable ends for a customizable experience, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. And I'll show you what I mean. This is what it looks like here. And on one side, it says face balm. And on the other side, it says face scrub. So I opened this up for the picture, and they both, I'm gonna show you, looked, so this is the face scrub. So I'm gonna put that on my hand because I didn't test anything. I just, place it for the picture. And it definitely feels like a scrub. And it has like, you can feel the scrub in here. And that's what that looks like there. So and there's, after I used it, you can see kind of the particles inside there. So I'm just gonna twist this guy down, and then we're gonna see what the other side feels like. And this is supposed to be the balm. So to me, you scrub your face with that first, I guess wash it off, and then you put this balm over it. And that's what that looks like there. This is something I'm gonna have to read up on and play with because I've never tried a product like this. If you have, please share it in the comments down below because the comments are True Wants we share with each other, and this way we all get to learn from one another. All right, the next one in here is from this brand called Cleo Noir, and this is a 4-shade eyeshadow palette. It's a $32 value. They're saying it is pigmented, blendable, full spectrum. It's a creamy, rich formula that stays put without the mess and excess fallout. And this is also, like I said, cruelty free. And this does not have a mirror on it, but it has one of those safety shields. And this is how beautiful the colors are. So we'll do a little swatching of this. Really, really pretty. So let me make sure I don't have anything on my fingers, and let's do this. So, oh, what's nice is I was a little scared by looking at this. Those are not glitters, those are shimmers, and those are what that looks like. And these pop on your eyes. And if your pencil, or not your pencil, your brush that you're using doesn't pick it up, pick up the product first and then wet the brush. Because if you wet the powder, I find it's better to put it in a dry powder and then spritz the brush. And those, like I said, are the 4 colors there, and they're really beautiful. I think I've tried an eyeliner from this brand, if my memory serves me correctly, and this is just beautiful. So to me, this is like the all over, a little bit in the corner, and then the pop right in the center. So this is definitely one that these 4 shades. And it's so funny how so many brands now are getting into the 4 and 5 shades, and it's really, really convenient to travel with. All right, the next item that we got here is from Bellapierre. And Bellapierre is a brand that I really enjoy, but the one product I really enjoy are their lip products. And I had got introduced to them through Ipsy's add-on section, and I reach for them all the time. And I'll show you the packaging of the actual product. It's really beautiful too. So this is what the whole packaging looks like here. And I thought it was going to be a deeper color, but it's really not. It's really beautiful. This one is a lipstick and liner duo. It's $25. It's saying it is richly pigmented matte lipstick, and its coordinated lip liner is formulated with the nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed and jojoba seed. And this is, seed oil and jojoba, and it is cruelty free. Okay, and this one is simply called Nude, and that's the gorgeous color that it is here. And what I love about Bellapierre packaging, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, it kind of has that beautiful quilting type of, like Chanel type of look to it. So it's really beautiful. All right, so we'll just do it above here. Yeah, I always do it too many times. Let me just do one so you'll see what one swipe is. That's one swipe, and that's when I do it a couple of times. It's beautiful either way. So it builds beautifully. And let's do the eyeliner, the lip liner that comes with it. Oh, I'm picking up the wrong thing. Sorry, that was the next product. This one here is the Nude, and it's in number 02. I saw because that looked green, and I'm excited about that. So that's what this color looks like here. And we'll do a line right there. Really beautiful. Ah, perfect. Okay, the next item is from Julep. And Julep is another brand that I absolutely love. And I love that they're starting to show up in boxes, and especially in a box of this value. So this one is the When Pencil Matte Gel Eyeliner. They're saying this is a $12 value, and they're saying it is a perfect mix of pencil meets gel in a fun pop of color that adds some blooming style to your spring and summer looks. Again, this is a vegan and cruelty-free brand, and that's what I picked up initially that I thought was a lip liner, and I knew that color was definitely not. And so this color must be what we just said, probably blooming, right? Electric Teal Shimmer, it's called. All right, and that's the color there. This is such a fantastic box. Look at that. Oh, perfect for spring and summer. Really happy, beautiful pop of color. And the last item really intrigued me. This is the box that it came in, and it says it is called the Green Co. Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. They're saying it is $13.95, and they're saying be a conscientious consumer and reduce your daily waste by swapping your makeup remover wipes for these green, eco-friendly, washable, reusable, 100% natural and vegan. And I counted these. They come in this fantastic, which is probably great to, put into the washing machine. And it comes with the 2, pull ties. And then inside here, there's 14 of these. So it's great for like 2 weeks. Is that not fantastic? So it feels like beautiful on both sides. So to me, this is like a softer side, a little bit grittier on the side, but not by a lot. So really excited to get the opportunity to try these. So like I said, absolute winner. So many phenomenal products, so many new to me, but also some brands that I know and enjoy. So like, once again, out of the park, home run. Really, really happy about this. If you're interested in this box, like I said, I'll leave the links down below. This box really, truly has never really disappointed me. The only negative with this box is, first of all, it comes with this gorgeous packaging inside with his name and everything all over it. But since the beginning, he has been putting in these black little crinklies on it. So the only thing, and initially I told him, my first time opening it, I mentioned that, and he said that he's gonna work on it, but it never changed. So the only thing is, if you ever see when you get the packaging, some of the black on the boxes, just wipe it off, because that black is not from it sitting around or anything like that. It's from those black crinklies, all right? As always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.